So that is the ingredients of how I'm going to be making my pepper. We have the paprika is right at the top. We have our spring onion, pepper at the bottom, and some tomatoes. And I'll be using a glass of water. And that is it. Where I have to put it all over here. Glass of water. Then what I have to do is I have to blend it together. To blend everything together. Take a break. When you grind, you have to take a break before you can continue. My pepper is all blend with the spice together and ready now to be boiled. After boiling, then we can now proceed with the ingredients and the rest of the recipe. So now I have to take it out from the blender. I open it, then I have to take it and put it in my pot. Just stay tuned. That is my pepper already on the heat. I have to cook it for 20 to 30 minutes, and that is it. Why I have to put paprika for? I wanted to have a good aroma. I also wanted it not to be too hot, too sharp, too really that crazy hot. That's why I have to put some paprikas and tomato. It will help the pepper to calm down and make it look delicious and yummy. Just stay tuned as we proceed. Love you guys. Hello guys. So okay, as you can see, that is my pepper already dried. So right now I have to put in my oil, any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil. I'll be using this one, that is flour oil. Look at some of the recipe that I have to put after I put my oil. We have curry powder, we have ginger and garlic, we have baking paprika, we have white and black pepper, and then we have seasonal spice. So there are much. I have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 different kinds of spice, but it's just normal seasonal spice we have. But don't forget, you must use your white and black pepper. The paprika is very important, ginger and garlic. If you can add any seasoner of your choice. So that is my own seasoner. I'll be using this one and this. Yeah, so let's go. Stay tuned as we do it. So that is my pepper. Now what I have to do now, I have to put some oil in it, then I fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. After I fry 2 to 3 minutes, then I put in my seasoners. I will put in my ginger garlic, you can see it, and then I will not put much of. I have just half cube. I will not use any salt because my seasoner have already salt in it, so I will not be using any seasoner in it, any salt. I use just a half of cube. Guys, try this pepper. It's so yummy. You can use this pepper for your fish. You can use it for your food. If your family, like your children, does not love eating much pepper, you can fry this pepper like this. Then you cook your food and then you use it and add on your own meal. If you're somebody that eats much pepper, that's why I always have to make extra pepper at home, because my kids don't eat pepper while I eat pepper, so I always have this. So my pepper, I'll fry my pepper between 2 to 3 minutes. Right now I have to put all the spice. I put my sauce. Right now what I have to do is always put in my seasoning. There we go. See, everything is in. I'll fry it a bit. Why I put always fry my pepper with much oil is because to preserve it to stay in the fish for long. You can fry this pepper and keep it 3 to 4 months. It's always good to preserve it in a glass container. See? Look at the outcome. So right now the pepper is ready to serve. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it to your family members, and also don't forget, guys, to look at my part 1, how I made my easy pepper for your fish. Okay, so you also have to watch that one and choose the one that is easier for you and which one you love best. I normally, when I'm like, I don't want to, like, because this one is the process is a little bit more longer than the other one, so this one take much time than the other one. So when I don't have much time, I will go for the first one. So guys, you can as well make the choice which of them you pick. This is the end result of my Cameroonian pepper. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Love you guys back to back. God bless you. Always coming to support this channel. Bye.